Okay, hello Year 11s. Now, looking at your program, and we've looked at 7A, 1 and 2. I was looking at 7B, 1 and 2, and I noticed you're supposed to do question 10. You get to skip question 6, that was the tricky one, and then you go to question 10. So let's have a look at question 10. It's a good one because it's a real world type question, and it has costs and things like that in it. There we go. We've got a driveway, bit of, what have we got here? Sand, a ton of sand, some good honest work here. Concrete slabs, fantastic. Okay. It's always worth reading these questions. You've got two slab sizes. Now that would be 60 centimetres by 60 centimetres, pretty standard. And you've got this smaller one, it's only 30 centimetres long. We've got some costs. We've got a driveway. This driveway, it's kind of long and narrow, like this. It says it's 18 metres long and 2.4 metres wide. All right. We've got the cost of sand, so you always lay your pavers on sand or all right. Well, let's just start the questions. Calculate the area of the driveway. Easy peasy, because that's just a rectangle, so it's length times width. It's 18 times 2.4. All right. So calculator, 18 times 2.4. We'll just clear that. 18, 2.4. 18 times 2 is 36. Doing a bit of estimating here. 43.2. 43.2 square meters. Let's write that in there. 43.2 square meters. Explain why you need 4 B slabs for the pattern. Oh yeah, they do have a pattern. So there's your little B slab here because it's smaller. There's one there. There's 4. Well, there must be 2 at the back, right? So if you want this pattern, why do you need these for the pattern, right? Well, it's, I don't know what you'd call that, like an offset sort of layout there. Then you need the small slabs to get the pattern, right? You only need 4 of them. Let's think about this. They've got 4 slabs across. Each one of those is 60 centimetres or 0.6 of a metre. If you did 0.6 times 4, would you have this number? What's 6 fours? Yeah, 24. So yep, that's right. So you fit 4 across. Now you've got 18 metres long. Let's think about the length. Right. And we had 4 across. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 18 metres. Let's have a look at that. 18 metres, and every slab is 0.6. Right, it's like doing 6 into 180. It's the same as this. How many times does 6 go into 180? Well, 6 into 18 is 3. Add the 0, 30. So that works nicely. So you'd actually fit 30 slabs from there to there. You could have 30 slabs if they're the 0.6 metre slabs, right? But if you're going to use a size B slab, that's only 30 centimetres, right? So instead of having 30, you'd actually have, how many? You'd have 29 plus the two little ones, right? Two of the little ones makes the same length as one of the big ones. So 2b's equals 1a, right? Because these are 30 centimeters, right? You'd need two of them to get the 60 centimeters, okay? But it all works out really nicely if the length's 18 meters. You don't have to cut slabs up or anything like that. So that's what's happening with our driveway. How many size A slabs are needed? Well, there's a good question. How many size A slabs are needed? Well, we've got 30, we'll forget the little ones for a minute. We've got 30 long and we've got 4 wide, right? 4 slabs wide. So what I could do is 4 times 30. 4 times 30 is 120 slabs, right? But I've got four of the little ones to think about. What are they asking me here? How many of the size A slabs are needed? Okay, well, we know that 2 of the little ones is the same as 1 of the big ones, right? And we've got 4 of those, and so 4 of the small B slabs will be equivalent to 2 of the A's. So we'd have to minus 2 away, and we'd have 118. So this is 118, okay? Because what's happening is you're cutting, it's as if you've cut one of the big ones in half there. Right? How much sand must be purchased? I'm going to make a bit of room now. How much sand must be purchased? Okay. Well, sand is, here, that's what I'm looking for. Sand covers 17.5 square meters, right? It's $18 a ton, but it's not asking me about that, saying how much, right? How much sand. So we want to know how many tons of sand. Okay. Well, 1 ton would give us 17.5, but we've got 43.2. So we've got to think, how many 17.5s? How many? That's a divide question. So we've got 43.2. How many 17.5s? And that is a calculated job, although 2 17s is 34. So we're going to be a bit over 2, aren't we? Maybe 2.5 tons, something like that. So 43.2 divide 17.5. 43.2 divide 17.5 equals, we're getting 2.46. Now, if you read carefully, they said you have to sell the sand in lots of 0.2s. So I just got to remember that. 2.46, we'll round it up, 2.47. Let's go back. Right, so we've got 2.47 tons as our answer. 2.47 tons, but if you look at this carefully, it says the sand must be purchased in multiples of 0.2. All right, so that would mean, you know, you could have 2, you could buy 2 tons, you could buy 2.2, you could buy 2.4, but you'd have to go up to 2.6, right, if you're looking at these 0.2 multiples. So we'd actually need to round this all the way up to 2.6. 2.6 tons. The total cost of slabs and sand. All right, so let's look at the last bit, the total cost. So the sand, well, that's 2.6 times, how much is it a ton? 18 a ton. 18 All right, I'm going to go to the calculator for that. 2.6 times 18. Clear this. Oh, no, I've still got my pen. I need a cursor. Right, 2.6 times 18. What do we get here? 46.80. That's a good price for sand. That's only $18 a tonne. It must be going direct to the quarry, I reckon. 46.8 dollars. Bargain. It could be about $50 a tonne down at the whatchamacallit, landscaping place. And don't even think about buying it from Bunnings. What do we say? $46.80. Let's have a look. Yep, $46.80. But we also need the cost of the slabs. All right, cost of the slabs. Where can I write this? I'm going to have to do it over here, I think. So we've got, let's have a look at this. Let's do our cost. Our total cost. It's sand and it's slabs. We already know the sand. The sand was $46.80. Bargain. Right, now the slabs, let's have a look. Both types of slab cost $18.25 per square metre. Wow, we can just treat them all as the same thing. And we know that we didn't need to cut slabs short or anything like that, right? What we can do is just base it off the square meterage. So we could say 43.2 square meters times, what is it, 18.25. Pretty good price, I think, per square meter. And what do we get there? I'm going to have to remember that. 43.2 times 18.25. 43.2, 18.25. Oh, I've done it again. I need my cursor, not my pen. 43.2. $18.25 multiplied. And we get $788.40. $788.40. $788.40. Right, we'd have to add that together. So if we do sand plus slabs, $788.40, got to plus it to $46.80. All right, what are we going to get? 0, carry the 1, 7 plus 8, 5, carry a 1, 5 plus 8, 3, carry a 1, $835.20 for the total cost. Now, what you should do, a question like this, is wait till you get to the end and then check the answer. All right, so I've got the answers open. This is question 10. I haven't actually checked this answer yet, so let's have a look. What are $8.35.20? There we go. Fantastic. All right, this is where you do your Leighton Hewitt. Down on one knee, fist pump. Yes. Hashtag nailed it. Oh, back to the question. Here. All right, thank you for watching. This is a good question. Good example of a test question. Real world. We've got a little bit going on there. Different slabs, sand, tons, square meters, costs. So it's quite a good question, and I hope that you've attempted that one. Thank you.